What up? What it do? It's your boy David, and I'm back again with another reaction video. And I'm going back to Ateez. It's been a minute, and I wanted to listen to their song "Fireworks" or and quote I'm the one. That's the English title. Don't know if there's any other title. And this came out a year ago or so, around there. So yeah, I mean, Ateez is a fun group. They've been making bangers, so why not just listen to Mo? So this is AT's Fireworks in three, two, one, go. God of War. Oh. Boom, 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 boom. The auto tune. Okay. Talk your ish. Okay. Bass goes heavy. The smooth dancing. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, he's picking up the pace. Dun, 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 dun. Bum, 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 bum. That melody sounds so familiar. Ooh, I really wish there was like a rap part right here. Dun, dun, I like his tone. Such a hip hop trap beat. I love the way the rap comes here. Dun, dun, dun. It's just a hype part. Ooh, let's break it down. Amazing visuals, but goddamn. Ooh, I love his voice. Can they never give a man a regular shirt? Oh, okay. Damn, that move. It's so fast and hard hitting. Yeah, this is such a fun track. Oh, that melody here. Is this like another song? This was Fever Part 2. Solid song. Great song. So that was AT's Firework, I'm the One. And that was just a banger of a song. It was so hype, so fun to listen to. And yeah, that chorus, I'm just going to start with the chorus like dun 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 dun. I don't know why. That just reminds me of like when you go to like, we're in the FIFA World Cup right now. And it's like almost one of those like chants you do like in the stadium. Like, don't, no, 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 no. And I was like, oh, ole, ole, ole. You know, it's one of those things. I don't know why those two connect to me. It just, that's how it feels to me. But it was great. I mean, I don't know what bull nor ria means, but I know they had automatic, like two, like using the T sound. And yeah, no, I mean, I thought it was great. I thought the use of autotune here in the beginning and like in the around the song was just, trap hip hop style beat with that bass thumping and that breakdown. I really love that breakdown. The guy who sang it here, I thought his voice was great. I love the breakdown there where it came in and then went right into that chorus, a slapping chorus, and everyone did their thing. I love the rapping, especially the first person who rapped that verse. Uh, the way he rapped, obviously started to pick up the pace as the beat was building, and he kept going faster and faster. I thought that was a nice touch. I loved how uh, it coincided with the beat, and then it obviously went to the chorus right away. I thought that was great. I thought the dancing was crazy. I thought it was like heavy hitting, yet fluid. And yeah, I mean the song itself, the lyrics, it seems very braggadocious. Like this is my place. Everyone else is just like peeping or like visiting. Like look at all these fools. This is my place. Don't burn out my fire. Like if the world's ending, like this is just like we're just going in, we're popping off, and we're doing our thing. The video itself felt very, obviously the tone felt very Mad Max apocalyptic style. The desert or like the places they are very crumbling, just very chaotic. And yeah, I love the style. I love the suits they wore. Like there's one section where they're like on top of like a little like peak of one of those like sand dunes. All their clothing. I thought like the suits what they were wearing were cool. That one dude who has like a crop top, like boy got abs. Got to show them off somehow. But yeah, I love that guy's voice. I love like in the chorus or the breakdown. Um, I love the rapper who came in first. I thought he was a great voice. Everyone else killed it. I love that guy who came and had like a more of a deeper tone. I'm gonna show his face here somewhere. But yeah, all in all, I thought it was a solid track. It was a fun track, hip hop trap style beat that I enjoyed, and they killed it. The dancing was crazy. I love that ending where like it just felt like they were going faster, like almost like if the video was sped up. Obviously, it wasn't. They were just going fast and hard, and dun, 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 yeah. That melody is stuck in my head. It's an addicting melody that I'll definitely be singing around the house. But yeah, that was Ateez Fireworks. I'm the one. Thumbs up. Liked it. Give it a couple more listens and it'll most likely be in my playlist. I know for sure. But yeah, it's been your boy. Peace and love.